Class example 2 on page 228. So in this example, we're given some information. We're told that the tree is 5.1 meters tall. So this entire length over here is 5.1 meters. Okay. Another thing we know is that they're telling us the shadow is 7.5 meters. So this entire shadow length is 7.5. They're saying calculate the angle of elevation. So remember that is from one place looking up to the sun to the nearest tenth of a degree. So the sun has to be behind the tree because it's casting a shadow. I'm not too fond of the wording of this question. I rather, and it's better when they use this, they usually give you an object saying, here's an object looking at the top of the tree. Okay, so they give you 2 reference points. But we're going to work with the way this question is set up. So that means they're looking for this angle of elevation here. So let's call that angle A. And again, remember, according to our angle, we will set up. This is our hypotenuse, adjacent, and opposite. So we have to choose a trig ratio. So the 2 given sides are these 2, which means I have to use my, according to the SOHCAHTOA, I'm looking for opposite and adjacent. So that's my tan, because I'm interested in opposite and adjacent. So we will say tan of theta is opposite over adjacent. Tan of the angle, which I don't know, is 5.1 over 7.5. Keep it in a bracket. And then remember, to solve for an angle, you have to use anti. So this will end up becoming A is equal to anti-tan of 5.1 over 7.5. So we're going to put that in our calculator. Anti-tan of 5.1 divided by 7.5. Close our bracket and enter. And it gives us our angle to the nearest degree would be, so 34.2 will become just 34 degrees. So A is 34 degrees. Oh, they wanted to the nearest tenth. My mistake. So we got to take this away. 34.21. 5, so it becomes 34.2 degrees. So this time they wanted it to the nearest tenth of a degree. So that's example number 2.